In this question from JEST 2012, a charged particle is experiencing no force at a certain point. We have to find the electric field at that point. We are given the magnetic field and also the velocity of the charged particle. Now the force experienced by a charged particle due to the presence of electric field and magnetic field, it is given by the Lorentz force QE plus Q times V cross B. Here QE is due to electric field and Q times V cross B, this is the force due to magnetic field. Now it is given that this force is equal to 0. This implies QE is equal to minus Q V cross B. Q gets cancelled. Minus V cross B is B cross V. Therefore, electric field is equal to B cross V. Let us find B cross V. IJK B is given here and V is given here. B0 V0 can be taken out. One, 2 minus 4, and in the velocity we have 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, which means 3 minus 1, 2. This is equal to B0 V0 times I cap 4 minus 4 plus minus j cap times 2 minus 12 plus k cap times minus 1 minus 6. This is equal to B0 V0 times minus j cap times 14 minus 7 k cap. Therefore, the correct option here is minus V0 B0 14 j cap plus 7 k cap. We can take the minus sign outside. Minus V0 B0 times 14 j cap plus 7 k cap. Option D is the correct one.